Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Kingston Wharves Limited, KWL, is demanding answers regarding its request to be designated as a special economic zone. CEO Grantley Stevenson says his company's application has only been partially approved. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
The government has approved 10 applications for Special Economic Zone SEZ designation. Kingston Wharves Limited is not one of them. But for a company which could be critical to the country's logistics center ambition, its CEO Grantley Stevenson says KWL deserves the SEZ designation.
Can you imagine if Jamaica got 1%? Minister, you could build new schools around the republic. So this is how important the logistics industry is to this country. And the sad thing is, we have been struggling to gain our SEZ designation despite all of this.
But Information Minister Ruel Reid says it's not that easy.
The same challenge the banks are facing with what we call high levels of taxes. We're talking about we have to tax them at a very high level of asset taxes, for example.
He says the government is trying to get its finances in order before KWL's approval is granted.
Until we reorganize the economy, so we have less debt, we have an economy where we can gain revenues from just normal economic activities. It's very difficult to shift in midstream, so it's a work in progress.
Entities which receive SEZ designation are usually exempt from asset tax, income tax, and customs duties. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Net international reserves, NIR, increased by $25 million last month. The increase came amid widespread volatility in the foreign exchange market in January, fueled by claims of a shortage of US dollars. The claims sent the Jamaican dollar spiraling against the greenback, which prompted 3 flash sale interventions from the Bank of Jamaica, totaling $80 million. The US dollar is now selling for $135.20. The Canadian dollar is going for $102.95. The pound is trading for $177.80, while the euro costs $153.77. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in March went up by 4 cents to settle at $52.64 a barrel. The JSE index gained 2,944 points today, while the junior market index lost 27 points. Among the winners, Jamaica Broilers, Everything Fresh, Lasco Financial Services, Sterling Investments, and Jamaica Producers Group. On the losing side were Stationery and Office Supplies, Proven Investments, Berger Paints, Blue Power Group, and Lasco Manufacturing. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.